Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and of course we will be checking it out right here in this video. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you're getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and this had been on downtrend for a very long time. Got to this support zone, so it played around there for a very long time because it has not been able to break out below this support zone, and it has not been able to go above this resistance point. Okay, so this is very important. So it will be making another attempt on the resistance point, and of course if it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. Okay, we expect it to get to this region, okay, and even do more than that. Okay, so for now this is going to be giving us more buying until it gets to that resistance point, and if it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it will go back into a selling opportunity till it get to the support zone again. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out together. This is boom 500, and of course this had been on uptrend for a very long time, but got to the resistance zone. It was unable to break out above it, so it is now selling at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it together right now. Okay guys, this is crash 1000, and it had been on uptrend for a very long time. Got to the resistance zone, it was unable to break out above it, so right now it is selling. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, and of course it is just starting the trend. Okay, so it's an opportunity for us to sell for long. Okay, let's check out the next asset, which happened to be crash 500. Crash 500 had been on downtrend for a very long time. It got to this support zone, it was unable to go below it, and of course it had a pullback right from there. So right now it's trying to go back up. Okay, I mean, it got to this region, which is the resistance zone again, and of course it has not been able to break out from there, so it's trying to go back to the support zone again. Okay, so if it breaks out below the support zone, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back up to try out this resistance zone again. Once it breaks out from here, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. It might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction into a buying opportunity. Okay, next asset will be V75. Let's check it out together. Okay guys, this is V75. V75 had been on downtrend for long, got to this support zone, had a pullback, and of course went back down, and of course it's trying to get back to this support zone again. If it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend, but for now it is still selling. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.